Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to use trading bot on Binance. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. First, open the Binance app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom menu and tap on Trade. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right of the screen, then tap on Bits. Here you'll see different automated strategies available on Binance. Binance offers several trading bots, but the most popular one for beginners is the Spot Grid bot. This bot automatically buys low and sells high within a price range. You may also see options like Futures Grid bot, Rebalancing bot, Auto Invest bot. For beginners, I recommend starting with the Spot Grid bot. Tap on Spot Grid to continue. Now you need to choose the crypto pair you want to trade. For example, BTC USDT, ETH USDT. Select the pair you want to use. You'll also see Binance recommendations based on market trends. Now you'll see 2 setup options. Auto mode. Binance automatically sets the price range and grid levels. Manual mode. You set the parameters yourself, like price range, number of grids, investment amount. If you're a beginner, choose auto mode. Next, enter the amount of crypto or USDT you want the bot to trade with. For example, you can start with 50 USDT or more, depending on the bot's minimum requirement. Then tap Create to launch the trading bot. Once the bot starts running, it will automatically place buy and sell orders. You can monitor it by going to Running Bots. Here you'll see Profit and Loss Active Orders Performance Statistics. Before using any trading bot, remember these tips. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Choose coins with good trading volume. Avoid running bots during extremely volatile markets. Always monitor your bot's performance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.